Good afternoon, all of you. Let me start.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Let me start. So today we start directly the syllabus. Yesterday we have discussed overview about that syllabus. Totally we are C. Unit number first is successive. Unit number second expansion. Third matrices. Fourth multivariable calculus. Fifth partial derivative, application of that partial derivative, and sixth is vector calculus. Okay. So these are the six topic. Just yesterday we write down that syllabus and all this thing. We directly go to the our unit number third, matrices. Total 20 marks. Okay, total 20 marks which are asked in ESE as well as ISE. So first of all, we directly go to the definition of matrices. First of all, overview, just revision on that matrices, then type of matrices and all this thing, and then we go to the our topic. So a matrix. So what is first of all matrix? Yes. What is the matrix?
Matrix is the row and column enclosed the square bracket.
Okay, row and column enclosed in square bracket. Very good. So this is a row and this is a column. We are enclosed in closed bracket. This is called as matrix. This is the matrix. Yes.
Square bracket, sir.
Square bracket. Okay, we arrange the square bracket, na? Then
In a particular manner.
in particular, okay. So rectangular arrangement of row and column is called as matrices. Okay. Rectangular arrangement of number of rows and number of column is nothing but is known as matrix. So as you know that the matrix is denoted by always capital letter and element of that matrix is denoted by a small letter. So we are defined the matrix like this: A is equal to Aij in terms of m cross n, or we got that just the matrix like this. A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, so on A2n. Continue in this way. A last row AM1, AM2, so on AMN. Here M indicate number of rows, and N indicate column. N indicate a column. Okay, so this is a matrix. This is the matrix. A rectangular arrangement of number of rows and number of column is nothing but a matrix. Okay. So from that matrix, we have defined one more thing, that is order. The number of row and column represent order of matrix, order of given matrix. Okay, number of row and column represent order of matrix. As you know that in short we are defined as Aij m cross n. Aij m cross n. So this is the order we did write down m cross n. Yes, yes. This is just our start our syllabus or start. This is the notes actually. We write down simultaneously. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just write down simultaneously. This part is already we are teaching 12th standard. That's why we're taking fastly. Just initial part, matrix and type of matrix. After the type and matrix, we start. What is the rank of matrix? I will also share this whiteboard to you as a PDF file.
झालं सर.
Okay. Everyone?
नाही सर.
Yes,
Okay. एकोणीस तारीख होती. एकोणीस तारखेला ऍडमिशनची होते रविवार. Okay, can I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Now we discuss. Tell me one by one. We just write down the next topic, and you just tell me one by one topic, one by one type of matrix or type of matrices. So which type you are see?
Square matrix.
Okay, one square matrix. Then,
Diagonal
matrix.
diagonal matrix. Okay,
Zero matrix.
zero matrix or null matrix.
Row matrix,
Row
Unit
matrix,
matrix.
column matrix, path
Column matrix.
symmetric matrix,
कितना?
symmetric,
Symmetric matrix, Q symmetric matrix.
Zero matrix.
Column matrix.
Or
Singular matrix.
singular matrix, non-singular matrix.
Non-singular matrix.
Okay, singular, non-singular matrix over. Okay,
upper matrix,
upper, lower.
Lower up.
10 झाले,
Null
upper and
matrix.
lower. 10 झाले. पुढे.
Trans of
scalar,
matrix.
scalar,
Okay, scalar 11 झाले.
Zero
Trans of
matrix.
कुठला?
Trans.
Transpose. Okay, transpose.
identity matrix,
For unit matrix 13 झाले. Identity matrix or unity matrix?
Zero matrix.
Okay, zero matrix or null matrix is over. Already someone tell that matrix.
Of matrix.
Huh? Deepali?
Of the matrix.
Sub matrix. Yes.
Skew symmetric matrix.
Q symmetric is over. Symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay.
Transpose conjugated matrix.
Transpose.
Conjugate matrix.
Transpose conjugate matrix. Okay. Transpose conjugate matrix. Transpose conjugate matrix. Class to सांगा बरं एकदा.
A transpose of conjugate complex of a given
Transpose
matrix.
of conjugate matrix, that is called as another term. Okay. You go to that inverse matrix. पुढे. Okay.
झाले सर.
13 झाले 13. 13. चला.
Sir, determinant of the matrix.
Determinant of the matrix. We have find not this is actually not a type. This is we have find a determinant. Okay. चला तुमचं type असं type. Okay. Determinant of matrix. पुढे.
तेवढेच झालेत सर.
Okay. Then two more type is one is a nilpotent matrix and second is idempotent matrix. Nilpotent and idempotent matrix. Okay. Nilpotent and idempotent matrix. Okay. So basically another sub matrix also. Then we have find inverse. Then we have find minor of matrix. Then we find cofactor of matrix. Okay. Then we find adjoint and all this thing. Okay. Subtypes झाले ते पूर्ण. So we have see that one by one. First type is row matrix. So what is the row matrix? In short we write down. In short. जसं 12th ला घेतलं तसं घेणार नाही आपण. Row matrix. So what is the row matrix?
Which contains only one row.
The matrix which containing only one row. What about the column?
Only one column.
What about the column?
Sir, a matrix having only one row is called a row matrix, and a matrix having only one column is called a column matrix.
Okay. I will ask in row matrix only one row. No problem. But what about the column? Means of order.
3 column.
Of order. Row matrix order काय असेल? 1 cross n.
1 into
1 cross n.
n.
एक row एक कॉलम असतील किंवा 2 कॉलम असतील किंवा 3 कॉलम असतील किंवा n कॉलम असतील. Okay, only one row of order 1 cross n. Means example पाहायला झाले. Example काय म्हणतात? So this is only one row and one column. This is example of row matrix. This is example of 1 row and 2 column. This is example of row matrix. Then 1, 2, 3. This is example of row matrix. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is example of row matrix, etc. Having only one row. Having only one row. What about the column? Either it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Means up to nth column. Okay. Not necessary ki only one pattern. So that is a row matrix. Similarly, we define second matrix is column matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix मध्ये काय घेणार? Only
Only
one column of order n into 1.
of order
N into 1.
m into 1.
into 1. Example का पाहायला गेले the same. हा 1 row and 1 column आहे. 1 column आहे. आपला aim काय सांगतो 1 column पाहिजे. What about the row? There is no a condition on column. Sorry, no condition on row. Only condition on column. Okay. Then here 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, etc. These are the example of column matrix. Simultaneously. Row matrix, column matrix, Then third matrix is rectangular matrix. What is the rectangular matrix?
M is not equal to N.
Very good. Number of rows is not equal to number of column. Number of rows म्हटलं त्यामध्ये ब्रॅकेट मध्ये m लिहितो is not equal to number of column. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये n लिहितो. म्हणजे एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचे ठरलेच. These are the example of rectangular matrix. These are the example of rectangular matrix. These are the example of rectangular matrix. Okay, etc. M is not equal to n. म्हणजे घ्यायचं ठरलं 3/2, 2/2, 2/1, 1/2, then 4/3, 3/4, 5/5, sorry 5/6, or 10/6. Like this example are the rectangular matrix where number of rows and number of column is not same. Then depend on this rectangular matrix we define yes, opposite of rectangular square matrix. Square matrix आपण काय लिहिणार?
M is equal to N.
A matrix with equal number row.
With equal number of column and rows. Means number of rows
Equal to column.
is equal to column. Number of rows in bracket m is equal to number of column. That is n. Example पाहायला गेलंच तर हा square matrix. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square matrix. 1, 0, 1, -1, 2, 3. Then 4, 2, 0. This is the example of square matrix. Number of rows equal to number of column. Okay. Simultaneously, everyone put your name in chat box. Simultaneously, everyone. जेणेकरून मी तुमची अटेंडन्स लावू शकतो. Everyone, put your name in chat box. Okay, झाले? So I go to the next type. So next part, which is with this square and rectangular matrix, rectangular, square, and diagonal matrix. So झाले सगळ्यांचे लिहून?
हो sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are see the diagonal matrix. Next type, fifth one. diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix?
Sir, all non-diagonal elements are 0.
Zero. All 9 non-diagonal element are 0. But important important thing is in the diagonal matrix must be
Square matrix.
Square
matrix.
very important. A square matrix in which all the element, all non-diagonal, all the element except principal diagonal are 0. एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं ठरलं तर 2 by 2 चं घेऊ, स्क्वेअर पाहिजे 1002, then 100, 0 minus 10, 004. These are the some example of diagonal matrix. So depend the diagonal matrix, we have defined two more term. What is that two more term? Yes.
Upper matrix.
One is the scalar matrix. So what is the scalar matrix? Yes. What is the scalar?
Diagonal
A
matrix.
diagonal matrix.
Non-diagonal elements
Are equal.
So scalar matrix. So what is the scalar matrix?
All diagonal elements are same.
What about the non-diagonal entries?
0.
0 means त्यासाठी आपण असं म्हणूया a diagonal matrix in which त्याच्यामध्ये येतच ना सगळं non-diagonal entries are 0 and diagonal entries are same. Okay, a diagonal matrix in which all main or diagonal element are 0, sorry, are equal. Main diagonal element are equal. एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचेच ठरले तर आपण 2 by 2 ला घेऊ 2002, then -1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1, where all diagonal entries are same. That is called as scalar matrix. Okay, then next one, 7th one, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, then next
Identity matrix.
okay, depend on this scalar matrix we are defined that unit matrix or
Identity matrix.
unit matrix or identity matrix. त्यासाठी आपण असं म्हणूया a scalar matrix in which all main diagonal entries are
1.
1. Null entries are 1. जर define करायचं झालं, it is indicated by I. Unit matrix denoted by I. Notation I. So example घ्यायचं ठरलं तर आपण I इथं फक्त 2 लिहिला, I2 लिहिला. I2 चा अर्थ काय होतो? I2 चा अर्थ काय होतोय? It is a 2 by 2 identity matrix 0 1 0 किंवा काही काही ठिकाणी असं पण लिहू शकतात I of 2 by 2. ओके. Then we write on I3. याचा अर्थ काय होतो? 3 by 3 identity matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1 because it is a square matrix. Na square matrix means number of rows and number of column are same, so we just denote like this. So I3 3. So first we are defined row, second column, third rectangular, fourth square, fifth diagonal, sixth scalar, seventh one unit or identity matrix. सगळ्यांनी टाकलेत ना तुमचे नाव चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये सगळ्यांनी?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. झालंय काय?
हो सर.
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
हा. कुठे जायचं?
Yes, sir.
अरे आम्ही विचारतो पुढे जायचं, तुम्हाला कशाला विचारतोय? मी माझ्या लेक्चर मध्ये म्हणतोय पुढे जायचं का, तुम्हाला कोण म्हणतोय? तुम्ही तिथंच थांबा, पुढे बसव, पुढे जाऊ नका. ओके. So what is the last matrix? I think unit matrix. Now we write down that next matrix depend on this unit matrix is or a square matrix, but not necessarily square, rectangle असतो तरी चालतो. Okay. So 8 1 0 matrix or
Null matrix.
null
Null matrix.
null matrix. Okay. What is the zero matrix or null matrix?
All elements are 0.
Okay, all element are zero. Not necessarily matrix must be square or rectangular. कुठलाही असला तरी चालतो. All element are zero. जसं पाहिजे तसं आपण त्याला ओळखू शकतो. एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं ठरलंच. ओके, असून द्या. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय झिरो मॅट्रिक्स. हा, झिरो फक्त असं जर लिहिलं झिरो तरी आपण त्याच्यावरून लिहू शकतो 0 0 0 2 by 2 घेऊ शकतो किंवा 0 घेऊ शकतो किंवा जसं पाहिजे तसं आपण ऍड करू शकतो. लाईक दिस. सो ऑल एलिमेंट आर 0. The ninth one
Upper
triangular matrix.
Upper triangular matrix.
Okay, upper triangular matrix. What is the upper triangular matrix?
The square matrix having below the diagonal element is 0.
Below the diagonal entries are 0. A square matrix having below the diagonal entries are 0. Entries are 0. Okay. म्हणजे जर आपल्याला विचार करायला गेलं तर हा जो मॅट्रिक्स आहे त्याच्यामध्ये दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज मेन डायगोनल, बरोबर आहे. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये हा ट्रायंगल झाला पाहिजे आणि त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय असते पाहिजे 0. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अपर ट्रायंगुलर मॅट्रिक्स. आणि सिमिलरली अबोला जर 0 झालं तर ह्याला काय म्हणतात, व्हॉट दिस कॉल्ड
Lower triangular matrix.
Triangular matrix.
matrix. Lower triangular, okay. In this way we define. So 10th one, lower triangular. याच्यामध्ये आणखीन एक आहे बरं का, आणखीन 2 टाइप पण होतात त्याचे, कोणी सांगू शकतं का? Lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. A square matrix having above the diagonal element, above the diagonal entries are 0. ओके. त्याच्यामध्ये आणखीन एक ट्रायंगल होतं, 2 ट्रायंगल होतात, कोणी सांगू शकतं का?
Triangular matrix.
नाही. स्ट्रिक्टली अप्पर आणि स्ट्रिक्टली लोअर. स्ट्रिक्टली अप्पर ट्रायंगुलर मॅट्रिक्स काय होतोय की बिलो द डायगोनल एंट्रीज 0 होतातच, पण त्याच्याबरोबर जे डायगोनल एंट्रीज आहेत त्या पण 0 होत आहेत. व्हॉट इज स्ट्रिक्टली अप्पर? अ स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स हॅव्हिंग बिलो द डायगोनल एंट्रीज ॲज वेल ॲज मेन डायगोनल एंट्रीज आर 0. म्हणजे अबो ज्या आहेत, अबो ट्रायंगल जे आहेत, अबो डायगोनल एंट्रीज ज्या आहेत त्या सोडून बाकी सगळ्या एंट्रीज काय होतात 0 होतात. दॅट इज स्ट्रिक्टली अप्पर. आणि स्ट्रिक्टली लोअर म्हणजे काय, सेम डायगोनल एंट्रीज धरून सुद्धा. ओके. So this is upper and lower triangular matrix. Then next symmetric matrix. Before symmetric matrix we must take transpose matrix. Transpose matrix. So what is the transpose matrix?
When we interchange
row and column.
So interchange
Rows and columns.
And column.
and column. Okay. It is denoted by the notation A transpose. Okay. Then from the transpose matrix we define next is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix. A
matrix is equal to transpose of matrix.
Aij is equal to Aji or A equal to A transpose. Aij equal to Aji. That is A equal to A transpose. And 13 one, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So what is skew symmetric matrix? Aij is equal to
Minus Aj.
minus Aji
Yeah.
or A equal to minus A times minus times A transpose. So here for all I and j, for all I and j. One, then last two is remaining singular and non-singular. चार्जर कितना लो, चार्जर कितना लो, करो। मोबाईल चार्ज के उड्या मारा, करा करा. हा झालंय.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now we go to the last page. Fourteen one. Singular matrix. So what is singular matrix? Determinant of A
Determinant is equal to 0.
and 15(1) non-singular matrix. Determinant of A is not equal to 0. Singular matrix, determinant of A equal to 0. Non-singular matrix, determinant of A not equal to 0. Okay. So very important, if matrix is singular, then only we find as inverse of matrix, na? Am I right, na?
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
If matrix is singular, mean determinant of A equal to 0.
Non-singular.
No, sir.
Yeah, बर मग तुम्ही yes म्हटला ती म्हणून म्हटलं. Okay, important na? If matrix is non-singular, then only we find inverse of matrix. Matrix जर singular असेल तर inverse काढू शकत नाहीये, कारण की 1 upon determinant of A असतं, म्हणजे 1 upon 0 झालं तर ते undefined असतं ना, not defined असतं ना. So matrix must be non-singular. Singular नहीं पाहिजे, non-singular पाहिजे. And now write down that two more term additional for you. 16 additional, 16 nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix. So what is nilpotent? A non-zero matrix. A non-zero matrix A, so that A raised to K is equal to 0 for some positive integer K. It's called nilpotent matrix. It's called nilpotent matrix, and K is called index of nilpotency. एखादं एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं ठरलंच, आपण एक 2x2 घेऊ, 3x3 नको, 2x2 सिंपल घेऊया. 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. ओके, म्हणजे असा मॅट्रिक्स की ज्याचा काही स्क्वेअर, क्यूब किंवा रेस टू 4, रेस टू 5, रेस टू 6 मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर तो मॅट्रिक्स जर 0 येत असेल तर त्या मॅट्रिक्सला निलपोटेंट मॅट्रिक्स म्हणतात. जर आता हाच मॅट्रिक्स घ्यायचा ठरला तर इथं आपण काय करूया, ए स्क्वेअर करूया, ए इंटू ए, दॅट इज 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So when you take the product of these two matrices, what do you get the product? 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So you got that 0 means that is a square equal to 0. So what is the value of k? K equal to 2. So index of nilpotency is 2. Index of nilpotency is 2. This is called as nilpotent matrix. Now we see the last matrix, which is idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. झाले सगळ्यांचं?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
6-1. Sorry, 17-1. Idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. For non-zero matrix, B is called idempotent. It's called idempotent if B square is equal to B. काय पाहिजे? B square is equal to B. So एखाद्या मॅट्रिक्सचा जर स्क्वेअर केला, दोनदा मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर परत तोच मॅट्रिक्स यायला पाहिजे. एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं ठरलं तर बी घेऊ, एकदम सिंपल 0 0 1 1. ओके, सो बी स्क्वेअर घ्यायचा ठरलास तर बी इंटू बी असा होईल 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So we got that the matrix. The product is same again 1 0 1 0. Okay. So b square is equal to b. किंवा आणखीन काय म्हणू शकतो ना आपण? आणखीन काय म्हणू शकतो? आणखीन कुठले मॅट्रिक्स आयडेंटिपोटेंट म्हणू शकतो? यस. आणखी कुठले मॅट्रिक्स आयडेंटिपोटेंट म्हणू शकतो आपण? आणखी कुठले मॅट्रिक्स आपण आयडेंटिपोटेंट म्हणू शकतो? यस.
Identity.
ऑल आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स इज आयडेंटिपोटेंट. बरोबर आहे का? असं म्हणू शकतो ना?
Yes, sir.
प्रोडक्ट तोच येतोय का नाही? We also take another example second. All identity matrix is idempotent. ओके, आता झिरो मॅट्रिक्स तर म्हणू शकत नाही, कारण की आपण डेफिनेशन मध्ये म्हणतानाच काय म्हटलं रे?
Non-zero matrix.
नॉन झिरो मॅट्रिक्स म्हटलंय. डेफिनेशन मध्ये म्हणतानाच आपण म्हटलंय नॉन झिरो मॅट्रिक्स. त्या ठिकाणी असं म्हणू शकत नाही की झिरो मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, त्या ठिकाणी आपण असं म्हणू शकत नाही की झिरो मॅट्रिक्स. क्लिअर एव्हरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are start with the matrix, then order of matrix, then type of matrix. There are the 17 types we are see. Okay. So tomorrow we see, next lecture we will see submatrix, minor of matrix, or a better submatrix, then rank of matrix, then how to find rank using the different method, and then normal form, then inverse of matrix. Just we have state the formulae and all these things. Okay. So this is nothing but a matrix. Introduction part of matrix that already we are studying in the 12th standard. Just I will repeat that concept. Okay. So we stop here. Take 5-minute break. Again join at 3 p.m. sharp. 3 p.m. Okay. 3 वाजता कोणाचं लेक्चर तुमचं?
Engineering mechanics.
Mechanics.